Hello children. Today we are going to discuss ninth class 7th chapter triangles. It is in 10th standard again. Triangles is present. Triangles another lesson is present. Similar figures shapes are equal but sizes are not equal. Sizes are not equal. That is called similar figures. Here I am showing one square. Here two figures of squares are there which are shape equal but size is not equal. One is smaller, another one is bigger. So triangle is there. One is it is an equilateral triangle. One is smaller triangle, another bigger triangle. Like that rectangle also. Circles also there. Triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR. Here similar symbol, that is similar. This is a it is seems to be as like a hook. So similar symbol it is. In this year 10th standard exam paper is given that all triangles are similar asked. No, not at all. Only equilateral triangle are similar to each other. Remaining triangles, which of the following is not a similar figure they have given in the examination. They have asked based on this question only. So many children are did wrong. Squares similars only, circles similars only, similar triangle. Line segment are given in that. Line segments also similar, but triangles are not always similar because so one is say equilateral triangle, another is isosceles triangle or scalene triangle, means those are not similar to each other. In the condition of only equilateral triangle type, those are similar to each other. You must remind this. Suppose even line segment also, I am drawing that also. Line segment with red pen I am drawing. Line segment or even line also. See, you can extend a lot. Line segment means in between 2 points. The length between 2 points is called line segment. Of course, I draw, say AB is AB within the two distance, within the 2 points between 2 points. How much distance? That is AB. CD is bigger than that. But AB line as well as line segment, CD line, AB segment, CD segment, both are similar but distances are different. In any direction, suppose you are changing also, it is similar. They have given these four only, these four, 1 2 3 4 they have given in the examination. But equilateral triangle always similar. Some other triangles are not similar. Okay, now congruent figures we are going to discuss. Congruent figures means both shapes and sizes are equal. Suppose in the given two figures ABC XYZ here given, approximately these two are this. See, if you draw properly, it will be getting same length. You will be getting exactly the figures, means it will be right. A congruent to X, B congruent to Y, C congruent to Z. That means this is a congruent symbol. Triangle ABC is congruent to triangle XYZ. A is exactly X, yes, which is equivalent in manner. So that identical equal means that both angle, everything will be equal. Congruent figures means both shape and size. Suppose say AB length is 4 centimeters. Here XY also 4 centimeters coming. BC length say 6 centimeters. YZ also 6 centimeters coming. Say AC is equal to 8 centimeters. XZ also 8 centimeters will come. That means which are equal in length also. Now the definitions also and full forms also they are giving. CPCT, corresponding parts of congruent triangles. Of course, CPCTC also you can write. Corresponding parts of congruent triangles are congruent. but it is enough. In our textbooks, generally they are giving CPCT, corresponding parts of congruent triangles. SPST, similar parts of similar triangles. Here above, in the above figure, see in the given above figure, these are similar figures, similar parts of similar triangles are similar, that is SPST. Whereas CPCT means, in down figure, see CPCT means that corresponding parts of congruent triangles are congruent. Suppose here two triangles are congruent means their corresponding parts also congruent. A, angle X equal, angle B, angle Y equal, angle C, angle Z are equal. Suppose they are one pattern, they are congruent to each other, remaining parts also congruent, corresponding parts are congruent, that means equal. Congruent means identical, equal. SPST I said already. Two figures, see two figures are congruent if they are of the same shape and of the same size. This is the important point. Here we are discussing about congruent rules. There are 5 congruent rules. One after one we will discuss. SAS congruence rule. If two sides and the included angle of one triangle are equal to sides of and the included angles of the other triangle, then the two triangles are congruent. That means here two sides, see two sides means AB, AC, two sides are there. There PQ and PR, another sides are equal. Included angle means in between those two sides there is an angle. I am showing in the figure, that is included angle. That means angle BAC, back. Here QPR, included angles. That means two sides and included angle of one triangle, this triangle, which is equal to two sides of another triangle and included are equal means the other triangles also, yes, other triangle parts also equal. That is congruent. Triangle ABC is congruent to triangle PQR. ASA congruence rule. If two angles and one side of a triangle, of one triangle, are equal to two angles and the included side of the other triangle, then the two triangles are congruent. Here two angles of this triangle is equal to two angles of this triangle also equal. Included side means this is included side. In between two angles one side is there, that is BC. So this is equivalent to QR, which is also equal. So included side are equal, then they are congruent to each other. AAS congruence rule. If two angles and one side of one triangle are equal to two angles and the corresponding side of the triangle, then the two triangles are congruent. See here given figure is, see two angles, this is angle B, angle Q are equal, angle C, angle R equal, and side is AC. See I am showing like this again. Angle B is equal to angle Q, angle B is equal to angle Q, angle C is equal to angle R, side AC is equal to PR. Those are AAS. AAS means angle and side. That corresponding triangle also same, AAS. Triple S congruency rule or SSS congruency rule. If three sides of one triangle are equal to three sides of the other triangle, then the two triangles are equal. Then the two triangles are equal or congruent, what we called congruent. Here AB one side is there which is equivalent to PQ. BC is equivalent to QR and AC equal to PR. That means given sides of a corresponding given sides of a triangle, corresponding triangle sides also equal. So that's why it is triple S congruency rule. You better to draw with certain lengths, some dimensions with scale. If you are drawing, you will get the exact triangles. Here I am drawing with pencil. So if you want to draw exactly with pencil means with the scale measurements you are taking means you can draw exactly, which is some are slightly different, but you better to draw exact figures. Both should be equal. It is I am trying to draw exact figures but not exactly. You try to draw the some figures are getting exactly because those are measurements kept. RHS congruency rule. RHS means right triangle. See here, right angle. H means hypotenuse. S means side. RHS congruency rule. Not a right hand side. Right angle, hypotenuse and side. Congruence rule. If in two right triangles means that is 90 degrees present at one place. Two right triangles are there. Hypotenuse means you know that I am showing with a pen, you know this is AC and a PR is the longest sides of a triangle. That is the longest side and opposite to the 90 degrees, that is called hypotenuse. Here hypotenuse and one side of a triangle, this one BC and QR are equal to the other hypotenuse and one side of a other triangle, then the two triangles are congruent. Means right angle, hypotenuse and side. Here right angle, hypotenuse, side. That means angle B is equal to angle Q, right angle. Angle C, that is angle. You know that. AC is equal to PR, that is hypotenuse, you know. BC is equal to QR. These are the sides. So by RHS congruency rule, these two are equal. Some important concepts from those we are going to derive in that. Angles opposite to equal sides of triangle are equal. Suppose ABAC equal sides, you know, ABAC equal sides. Here I drawn. Yes, see once. What I am showing with a red ink pen. So red pen, see once. Angle B opposite to the AC. AB is there, its opposite angle is C. These two sides are ABAC are equal. Their corresponding opposite sides are equal. That means AB is equal to AC, then angle B is equal to angle C. That is the conclusion. Okay. Each angle of an equilateral triangle is 60 degrees. Each angle of an equilateral triangle is 60 degrees. This is in the sum we are having, that we will discuss in the sums. Okay, in the exercise those are present. Now sides of opposite to equal angles of a triangle are equal. Suppose here sides opposite to the equal angle. Suppose angle B, angle C are equal. Angle B and angle C are equal. Their corresponding opposite sides. Angle B opposite side is AC. Angle C opposite side is AB. Both are equal. That is the conclusion. Have a nice day, children, because this is very important. Better to write in one place, and definitely you watch throughout video and write it in a papers, A4 sheets, or you can file it in one place. Like it, share it and subscribe. Share to your friends so that they will be benefit for all the children before going to learn the classes itself. Why I am doing these theory parts earlier means starting topics are very easy topics. So but these topics are theory part somewhat tough, that's why I'm giving earlier. Later we will do the easy topics, all the lessons. Have a nice day children. Thank you.